didn't work. Oh, what a mess. That thing will never seal. What a mess. Let's, maybe I can get a file on it. Okay, we took the caliper right off, and I got this surface here, and I'm going to try to maybe file it a little bit. Try to keep it flush. See if we can find where the spot is. We may have to put the grinder to it. Definitely, I'm starting to see a low spot, I think. Right out the bottom, which is where it was leaking. I'll show you guys what we're looking at there. You guys can see the darker spots. Maybe you can see where she's right in there, at the top there a little bit too. And keep filing, see if we can bring it down. I'm tempted to go down and try to hook this thing up in the milling machine and see if I can mill it flat. It's hard not to rock it. Wonder if we could set it up in the mill. Might be able to. You wanna try it? What do we got to lose, right? That took a lot more work than it should have, but this is what we got. I'm hoping it's flat. You can see kind of the shades there where the end mill went through, and let's see if we can get the rag out. There we go, pop the rag out and kept some of the chips out. Well, maybe we'll have to shorten up the bolt to, I took 1/8 of an inch off at least because of the screw up when it dropped, but it looks better. We'll go find out.